Hello everybody, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to underline words only, how to change underline style, and how to change underline color. Let's begin. If you have a sentence, let's say, and you want to underline just the words in the sentence and not the spaces, here's how you would do that. Select the text, go to the Home tab, go to the Font section, click on the arrow beside the letter U, and from the menu that pops up, go to the bottom, choose More Underlines, and in the Font dialog box, go to Underline Style, and click on the arrow to expand the list, and choose Words Only. Click OK. And that is how you underline the words and not the spaces. Next, I'll show you how to change the underline style. Highlight the text, go to the Home tab, go to the Font section, click on the arrow beside the U, and from the menu that pops up, choose from one of the styles. In this instance, let's choose the double underline style. And that is how you change underline style. Next, we'll change underline color. Highlight the text, go to the Home tab, go to the Font section, click on the arrow beside the U, scroll down to the bottom of the list, choose Underline Color, and from the color template that pops up, choose a color. And in this instance, we'll choose the dark red. And that is how you change underline color. One quick tip before we go, remember to reset your underline style and color, and here is how you would do that. You would go back to the Home tab, you'd go to the Font section, you'd click on the arrow beside the U, and you would choose Underline. Next, staying within the Font section, you'll click again on the arrow beside the U. You'd scroll down to the bottom of the style list, choose Underline Color, and click on where it says Automatic, click on the black. Let's test to see if we've reset our underline style and color. We'll highlight the subjects, and we'll click the letter U. And yes, the underline function has been reset. And now we can continue. That's it for now. Remember to save your work. Thank you for watching.